So in today's video, we learned how to enable a payment method in WooCommerce, place a test order, and confirm that the order was received in the dashboard. Hi there, in this video we are going to learn something super simple but very important. How to set up payment options in WooCommerce. Right now, if you go to our checkout page, you can see there is no payment method available. So let's fix that. In WooCommerce payment options, click on offline payment method. Here you will see three options: direct bank transfer, checkout payment, and cash on delivery. Now the bank transfer and checkout payment are kind of old. Hardly anyone uses them these days. People mostly prefer paying after receiving the product, so cash on delivery works best for us. Click on cash on delivery to enable it and click manage. Here you can change the title, add a description, or even write special instruction for your customers. I am going to keep everything as it is and just hit save. Now let's refresh our website and check the checkout page again. Perfect, the cash on delivery option is active now. Let's try placing an order. Oops, I forgot to fill in the details, that's why I did not go through. Let's enter the details again and click place order. And yes, the order has been placed successfully. Back to your WordPress dashboard, let's refresh the page and open the order section in WooCommerce. And that's it, the order has been received. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.